y'all. All right, I wanted you to see this. This finally came. I've been like stalking the mailbox, trying to get this recorded today. Yay! I'm so excited. I wanted to show you how awesome this was packed, but I also had to take it apart to get rid of my address on some things. So this is another diamond painting pen from Jim's Handmade Pens in Illinois. I order off of Etsy. His Etsy store is Jim's Handmade Pens. This I love. This I love. Handle with care, do not bend. Yes. Yeah. It came USPS. Okay, USPS. So I feel like this was pretty dang important. So I opened this up, and then there was a nice padded envelope. Nice padded envelope. Inside the padded envelope, let's see if I can get this out without too much struggle. Okay, nothing else in there. There is a piece of cardboard to keep, try to help keep them from bending it, right? Because, some male people do not pay attention to that. So he puts this in there. Thank you very much. I appreciate this effort. Here is the invoice. I have taken that out. I do not like the lumps and bumps on mine. Unfortunately, this one came from Diamond Art Club. I didn't have a choice. You order a pen and you get a pen. But Jim asks you, hey, how many bumps do you want? And what placer do you want? Well, I don't want bumps, and I want it as thick as possible, and I have put that on here. He wrote it on my envelope. Smooth, no bumps, very thick. Thank you, Jim. You're welcome, Jim. Thank you for doing it how I asked you to. He gives you some tips. Let's read this. Hello, thank you so much for buying one of my handcrafted pens. Below is everything you need to know about the tips I use in my pens. These tips I do not make. The tips are interchangeable. I use a pair of pliers to put the single tip in. The other tips are sometimes loose. Depends on where they come from. I wrap a piece of Scotch tape around the insert. Some of my customers have used washi tape when needed. The tips come from the pink pins. Okay. I make my pens to accept these tips. These tips sometimes break, which in no way affects the pen. The tips can be replaced. There is also a video on YouTube on how to replace the tips. Message me and I will send you that link. So you get some information about the tips. This pen is called Bat Wing Brew. It was, okay, I don't see the price on here. Okay. This one probably ran me somewhere between $24 and $28, I think. He has such good craftsmanship. I don't mind. I have not seen this yet, so I'm super excited. It comes in a nice kind of velvety pouch. I did ask for the 6 placer. Why not? Ooh. Oh, look at it. So it is purple, green, and orange glitter. Look at that. Okay, let's get on in there. Focus. Oh, I don't. Hang on. Hold on. Okay, let's see if we can get this to focus because I had to put it on autofocus. So we're going to bring it up close. And slowly start. Oh, look at that. So there are black flakes. There's lots of purple and green. And the orange glitter is very visible. Oh, I love this. Sorry, guys. You're getting the glare from the webcam. Isn't that pretty? Oh. I'm sorry, I'm just looking at it in the screen and it is so pretty. Okay, so yes, this is Batwing Brew. It is so pretty. Love it because I love purple and green together. And the flakes of orange and black are amazing. So this is great. Um Now, Jim's Handmade Pens is the same one who made Unicorn Puke. And the others that I use, I love these. I mean, to show you the difference in the thickness, there's a good bit of difference. There's a good bit of difference. So yeah. All right, so this is Batwing Brew from Jim's Handmade Pens on Etsy. If you like this one, you should see the other stuff he has. The other blanks that he has. And you can tell him how many bumps you want. He will do yours, you know, like this. Yeah. It is perfect. And I love it. And I'm super excited. All right, guys. So this is what I have gotten. And I hope that you go visit his store if you are a diamond painter. I hope you go visit his store and you pick up a pen that you really enjoy. Come back and tell me about it if you do. All right. Until next time. Bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.